Hello students, good afternoon. My dear students, today we are going to discuss about your writing section. As you know, it is a very important section of English core. So at first, we will discuss about notice writing. How to draft, how to write notice. Dear students, as you know, notice is a very important form of written and printed communication. It is a very important form of written and printed communication, means in the form of official statement. And information. Notice is an information in a form of official statement. This is a very important part of English writing section, how to draft notice. The marking scheme for notice 1 plus 1 plus 1. It contains 3 marks in class 11th and class 12th. Means 1 marks for format, 1 marks for content, and 1 marks for expression. Content, format, content and expression. Okay, dear students, as you know, notice is an information. This is an information in the form of official statement. We convey message through official statement. There are different kind of notice, like notice for meeting, notice for events or festival, festivals, celebrations, function, seminars, workshop, debate and other activities. Okay, so events, GK competition, seminar, group talk, group activities, programs, celebrations, functions. Okay, so notice for meeting, notice for celebrations, events, notice for lost and found, notice for appeal, request, warning, and public notice. Like for any guidelines, any message, change of names, change of names, address, change of name of company. Okay, so these types of notice for meeting, for events, lost and found, appeal, warning, and public notice, public message. Okay, so my dear students, how to draft notice. So let's discuss how to draft, means how to draft notice. My dear students, as you know, notice always written in third person. Notice is written in third person. Okay, passive voice, very simple and clear sentence. It should be written in very simple and clear sentence and short sentence. The purpose of notice should be clear. Purpose should be clear. Mention complete information. You have to mention complete information, like notice should be answer of 4 W's and 1 H. Means you have to give a complete information, like who, means who is organizing the events. Next W means what is going to be organized. What is going to be organized, क्या ऑर्गेनाइज होना है, what. Third, when means venue, when it is going to organize. After that, where, in what way. And last one is H, means how. In what way, किस तरह से, क्या क्या इवेंट होंगे, कैसा होगा, इनका आपको पूरा डिटेल में आपकी नोटिस में मेंशन होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, नोटिस should be written in within box. नोटिस को हम किस में लिखते हैं, बॉक्स में लिखते हैं. यू हैव टू मेक अ बॉक्स. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू राइट, यू हैव टू ड्राफ्ट अ नोटिस. नोटिस शुड बी क्लियर, परफेक्ट. मार्किंग, I have told you, marking for notice writing, format, content and expression. 1 marks, 1 marks and 1 marks. It contains 3 marks. Right now in your question paper it contains 3 marks, 1 for format, 1 for content and 1 for expression. Okay, means you have to write your notice in correct format. करेक्ट फॉर्मेट में आपको लिखना है, तभी आपको कंप्लीट मार्क्स मिलेगा, फुल मार्क्स मिलेगा, अदरवाइज आपके मार्क्स क्या होंगे, कम हो जाएंगे। ठीक है, तो ये है क्या, आपको बॉक्स में लिखना है, क्या क्या कंटेंट लिखना है, इसका आंसर आपके नोटिस में होना चाहिए। ठीक है, तो इस तरह से हम लोग नोटिस लिखेंगे। चलो अब हम थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में, एक जो फॉर्मेट है मैं वो आपको बता दे रहा हूँ। फॉर्मेट, एट फर्स्ट ड्राफ्ट a box here. Okay, here you have to mention at the top, you have to mention name of the institution, organization, or authority. Okay, name of institution, name of organization, and name of authority. Just after that you have to mention word notice in block letters, in capital letters, notice. Just here you have to mention date, and next here you have to mention heading or title, subject. Just after that you have to mention what? Content. Content means body. And here you have to mention name of writer, and here designation. This is the format, this is the format of notice writing. Okay, my dear students, let's take an example how to write notice. Suppose that your school, Sunrise Public School, the name of your school is Sunrise Public School, and your school is organizing a GK competition. So write a notice to inform the students. You are Ravi, Ravina, head boy, head girl of your school. Okay, write notice within 40 to 50 words, not more than 50 words. So at first you have to write name of school, Sunrise Public School, Delhi. Okay, after that notice tenth July 2021. After that content heading GK competition. Okay, from here you have to write the contents. This is to inform all students that our school is going to organize a GK competition on 16th July 2021 in the school auditorium at 10 a.m. Okay? Just after that, interested students those who wants to participate, students who wants to participate, or willing students or interested students may register their names to the undersigned latest by 15th July 2021. Okay, after that you have to mention here Ravi, head boy. Okay, you write your contents. After that, make a box. Okay, students. So I wrote here in a very simple form, in a very simple contents. Okay, who or school, what GK competition, when 16th July 2021, where in a school auditorium. Okay, and how interested students may register their names. Interested students may give their names to the undersigned, and just after that, for further information, for more information, please contact the undersigned. और भी सेंटेंस और भी पॉइंट आप बढ़ा सकते हो, लेकिन आपको 3 मार्क्स में, जब 3 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा कंटेंट लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. डोंट राइट अननेसेसरी पॉइंट्स. ओके, थैंक यू.